Weather coverage you can count on with Chief Meteorologist Kate McKenna and the Wave 31 Storm Tracker Early Warning Radar Network.
It was hot again this afternoon, made it to 95 degrees in Huntsville, and it is still pretty warm this evening. In fact, look at what it feels like. It's feeling like 89 degrees in Muscle Shoals now at 10:37. Feeling like 78 though in Athens. Indicators still feeling like lower 80s in Huntsville. Actual temperatures are in the upper 70s, and a few of us are still in the lower 80s, but it's dry. It's just a little bit of noise showing up on the Wave 31 Storm Tracker Early Warning Radar Network. Each one of our 3 radars showing that quiet picture right now, but remember, tomorrow there's a 20% chance for an isolated storm. I'll show you what it looks like on future radar in just a second, but tonight we keep it mostly clear, a little bit hazy, 72 degrees, calm and humid. Notice the future radar as we get to about the current time period. It's not showing anything, matches up pretty well with exactly what's taking place right now. But as we get into tomorrow morning, this data source is continuing to show the clouds streaming in. So clouds coming in from the north here. We're going to have a front that's approaching, but it doesn't totally move all the way through North Alabama. It stays up into Tennessee tomorrow. And as we go through the afternoon, this is the view by noon, even with the cloud cover. This data source indicating temperatures in the lower 90s by midday, so almost as hot as we were today, if not a degree or two hotter. Now by 4 o'clock tomorrow afternoon, there's your isolated storm chance. Not everyone's going to see rain, but a few lucky folks will have that cooling downpour later in the evening. Notice that we still have that by 9:30 tomorrow, although it is starting to fade in intensity just a little bit. And by Saturday morning, we wake up to a quiet picture, partly cloudy sky, humid conditions. And during the afternoon on Saturday, that isolated storm chance will be back with us. Notice that by noon, we're at 90 around the shoals, 89 degrees in Huntsville. So your pool forecast tomorrow, I think for the most part, you won't have to worry about dodging those afternoon thunderstorms too much. And again, everybody is going to see rain. 96 degrees always your forecast high. It's sunny, it's hazy, and this is what it's going to feel like. This is perhaps more important than the actual temperatures. By 2 o'clock tomorrow afternoon, already feeling like 108 in Florence, 106 in Huntsville and Athens, 107 in Moulton, all the way through Saturday now, about the same time, 3 o'clock, feeling like lower triple digits, not quite as hot as tomorrow, feeling like 102 around the Shoals and in Moulton, feeling like 100 in Guntersville, Athens, and Decatur. And by Saturday night this time, it'll still be feeling like we're close to the 90-degree mark in some spots. So that's what we've got going on for those feels-like temperatures. When you take that into consideration, we've got another heat advisory. This is what I was showing you earlier. It starts at noon, lasts until 7, and that's because we can see dangerous heat again tomorrow. You're hearing a lot about heat exhaustion and heat stroke. Know the signs of each, because if you can treat the symptoms of heat exhaustion, you are excessively sweating, you've got cool, pale, clammy skin, get inside, cool down. You can avoid heat stroke, because when you stop sweating, you've got red hot, dry skin, a throbbing headache. That's when you call 911, and that's what we want to try and avoid. Fortunately, by the weekend, the second half, things are looking a little bit better. 87 degrees on Sunday, and we've got some rain back in the forecast. As we go past Saturday into Saturday night, Sunday morning, here comes the rain with that slow-moving front. It'll still have some rain in the area here by Monday morning, but generally speaking, we are going to see some improvement here. Not so much the rain chances. We are going to see some gray weather here to close out the weekend, but the temperatures, 87 degrees on Sunday, remember 85 on Monday, only isolated storm chances next week, and it's staying cooler.